Video 4. Setting ticks, labels and grids. In the previous video we looked at defining plot styles, properties and format. We're going to take a look at getting current axis using locator params and converting date between different representations. In this video we'll continue with setting axis and line properties and adding more data to our figures and charts. In Matplotlib, figure function is used to explicitly create a figure. It contains subplots which allow us to arrange plots in a grid. We can also use axis instances from the matplotlib.axis.axis class to get more control, for example when we place a smaller plot inside a bigger one. Ticks are part of figures. They consist of tick locators where ticks appear and tick formatters to show how ticks appear. We can use matplotlib.pyplot.locator_params to control the behavior of tick locators. Let's take a look at an example. This is the code. First, we get current axis. Then we set view to tight and maximum number of tick locators to 10. Even though tick locators are usually determined automatically, we can control the number of ticks and use a tight view when plots are smaller. Lastly, we generate 100 normal distribution values. Let's run the code. This is our output. We see how the X and Y axis are divided and what values are shown. We could have achieved the same setup using locator classes with this line of code. Here we are saying set the major locator to be a multiple of 10. Tick formatters can similarly be specified. Formatters specify how the values are displayed. For example, this specifies 2.1 F or 1.1 FCM as the string to be used as the label for the ticker. Let's take a look at one example using dates. After setting some date range, here we convert dates for Matplotlib. We can use helper functions such as dates_to_date_num, dates.num_to_date and dates.drange to convert dates between different representations. Then we generate some random values and create the plot. Upon running the code, we'll get this graph. Awesome. That marks the end of this video. In this video we've learned setting ticks, labels and grids. Cool. In the next video we'll learn about adding legends and annotations.